The first thing that I notice when I look at this, and really the first thing that you should check for whenever you look at any polynomial expression, is that there's a common factor of 2 in every term in the expression. So let's start by pulling that out. Now we only need to concern ourselves with what's inside these parentheses. Just have to make sure that we don't lose track of this 2. Now it's time to factor by grouping. We can pull a 2x squared out of these first two terms, and the last two terms are a little bit tricky because they only share a factor of, well, 1. So that is what we will write. Luckily, we still see that we have a common factor between the two terms we have left. The fully factored form of this is then 2 times the quantity x minus 3 times the quantity 2x squared plus 1. Now, in the event that you forgot to pull out the common factor of 2 at the very beginning, all is not lost. We can still solve the problem that way too. Let's check it out. If we start off by grouping instead of pulling out the common factor of 2, then we can just proceed by factoring by grouping as normal. We end up with x minus 3 times 4x squared plus 2. At this point, however, when we think that we're fully factored, we have to take that last step to double check and make sure that neither of these factors has a greatest common factor greater than 1. We see, however, that this term, 4x squared plus 2, has a common factor of 2 between its terms. Then we pull that out, and that is what gives us our final factored form, which of course is the same answer that we got doing the problem the other way. Awesome job!